Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started. Box axe and let it focus. Please read the Air Jordan 1 Mid Black, Gem Red, and Particle Gray. It was Jordan restock or reserve time. So here we go. Paper down. Get this out. Got this light out real quick. How about you? Materials feel okay. Standard Jordan 1 mid. I'm starting to get Jordan 1 midded out. It's just been too many Jordan 1 mids for the past couple months. Maybe like a year. They're putting them out non-stop. Stop cats. Got the littlest cat ever. He torments the giantest cat ever. No matter how the cat lets him do it. Black bottom. I see this as everyday wearing Jordan. No extra laces. Gray toe box. Stop. Gray side panel. Black toe box. Black Nike swoosh. Red Jordan logo. Basic back, just black to the gray. Same thing on this side of the shoe as the other. And all black bottom. Just a normal top, nothing special about the upper. It's just that toe box that everybody loves. I believe this could be an everyday wearer. Not much bad on this shoe. That's the all-around good Jordy. Not my favorite colorway, but like I said, having one isn't bad. Alright, let me give you guys review of the shoe, and it's going to be on your foot. Get on with the next shoe.
Everybody fucking jump!